This is how you crochet a granny square. I'm going to make this a series where each row gets its own video, and the final video is also going to be on how to change colors with the granny square. To get started, we're going to chain 5, insert our hook into the first chain, yarn over, pull through the chain, pull through the loop, and that's a slip stitch. Then this center here is what we're going to be putting all of our stitches into. So we're going to chain 3 for our turning chain, and then we're going to add 2 double crochet into the center of the ring. The granny square is worked in groups of 3 double crochet, so this will be our first set of 3, and the turning chain does count as a stitch. Then we're going to chain 2, and that'll be our first corner. And then we'll put 3 more double crochet into the ring, and that'll be our second side. And let me know if you need help with the double crochet itself. I have a whole video on how to crochet the double crochet. After our third double crochet, we're going to chain 2 again, and that'll be our second corner. And then 3 more double crochet into the ring for our third side. And also, if you like these kind of close-up stitch tutorials, be sure to like and follow because I post them every single day. And then after this, we're going to chain 2 more for our third corner and 3 double crochet for our fourth side. And if you have any questions about this stitch or another stitch, you can ask in the comments on any of my videos. And if I can't explain it in words, I'll make a video for it. Now that we have our fourth side, we're going to chain 2 for our fourth corner and slip stitch into the third chain. Now it doesn't matter which loops you pick up, as long as you pick up 2 loops. I'm going to pick up the front 2, so the one on the bottom and the one on the top. It's a little difficult and I'm pretty sure I spliced it, but that's it. Check the comments for part 2.